Here's a quick video how to uninstall Universal Premium TV and reinstall it. A few people have been having some issues with it saying that the application is not authenticated. So really quick and easy, the thing that you need to do is you want to go over here to the Rubik's Cube. All right, so you're at the desktop, you want to go all the way over to the right side here where the Rubik's Cube is. And once you get over to the Rubik's Cube, you click the enter button on your remote control and it's going to bring up all the applications. What you want to do is you want to scroll down to the letter S for settings. So we're going to go all the way down right here. This is what it looks like, settings. You click on it and now you're in the first row. You want to click on apps, double click on the word apps, and then you're going to see a bunch of applications that are currently installed. So what you want to do is you want to go over to the right until you see there's two different ISTV. You want to click the blue ISTV, the first one has a background like that. And when you click on it, it's going to bring open a menu here, and this is how you uninstall it. So you're going to go down over here and you're going to click uninstall and then click OK. And it says, do you wish to uninstall? Click OK to uninstall it. And then you want to click the home button on your remote to bring you back to the home page. And you want to go ahead and click on ISTV. And once you click on ISTV and you load it up, you want to go under Live TV. You want to go back. You want to reinstall like you did the first time. Click on Universal TV. And the first time you click on it, it's going to ask if you want to go ahead and download it. Go over here and say yes to download. It's going to download the file. And once it finishes downloading, it's going to be the same thing as you first time you did it. You're going to go ahead and install the file. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, we're at almost 90% right now, 95. There it is, 100. You're going to get the message here. You want to click in the bottom right corner. It says install. It's going to install the application. And once it finishes installing, you can go ahead and click open. And from here forward, what's going to happen is you can go the same way and go through ISTV, go to Live TV, and click the to get to Universal. So I'm just going to click open right now. And as you'll see, it'll start loading up the application the first time. And it says getting things ready. And you should be go. And that's all you need to do.